We have a 12-piece pot set for the kitchen that you can do just about anything imaginable. Cooking, frying, pans, pots, lids. Let's open it up, show what you get inside the box. Remember, when you get your box, it may be just a little heavy. Please be a little careful. Show you what's inside.
Hi guys, today we have a set of non-stick cookware. It comes with an instruction booklet, 2 sponges for washing, and we have 4 lids. We have a small fry pan, a medium, and a saute pan. And we have 3 different sizes of pans to cook vegetables and stews and soups. And they all have wood handles, and they're nice weight to lift. They also have a lip at the edge so that you can pour, which that I find is very good, very interesting, very handy. And the lids are interchangeable. They fit both the fry pans and the saucepans. No, don't fit on that one. And they have a hole there so that the steam can come out. And I'm going to give it a try and see how it cooks. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to fry an egg. I'm going to make a nice sunny side egg, and we'll see how it works. Slides around nicely, nice to handle, very, very ergonomic handle, very, very nice. Doesn't get hot, and the egg is cooked beautifully. Look. I'm going to wash the pan. I'm going to rinse it. It's dishwasher safe, but hand washing is recommended according to the booklet. So we're going to give it a little rinse. A little soap.
For the very first time, what would you do?
Well, the first time I would wash it out. I would rinse it with a little soap and water and dry it and make sure that all the pots are clean.
The Granite pots, don't recommend you doing this. And they are a very sturdy and strong pan that you cannot bend or break. And if they ever come loose, there is a Phillips screwdriver that you could tighten up due to the excessive heat. Please don't burn them, don't overcook them or use any metal to scrape on the insides. That's why you get sponges, and use the proper utensils when cooking. This is a great 12-piece set. Excellent for your house, a beautiful set indeed. I hope you enjoy your product.